Hello and welcome back to my scrap room. My name is Jennifer Perry, and today I want to show you what is in this nice little compact package. This is a 17-inch laptop sleeve. It's padded, and what I have done is I have made a little travel diamond painting kit. I am going to be going on a road trip with my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law, and I wanted something that would not take up a lot of room in the vehicle, but yet would afford me a painting to take with me during the downtime. There will be quite a bit of downtime, and it's a 2-week cross-country road trip. There's going to be a lot of time in the car, but there's also going to be a lot of time in a Airbnb that we're going to be renting, and some relaxing time, and I just wanted to take a small painting with me. But I didn't want to take up a lot of room in the car with my gear. So what I have done is I have made a little kit. Now inside this little kit is my small light pad. This is the original light pad that I've had, so this is my small one. And I call this my travel easel. It is the original easel that I bought before I upgraded. But what I like about this one is it folds really flat and it's really small. So I'm going to set these aside for just a moment. This is my essential kit. There's a big old glare there. Sorry guys. Now what I have in it is the cord to my light pad. Now this is not the standard cord that comes with it. This is a 10-foot cord, because when you're in hotels or Airbnbs or whatnot, you never know where the plug is. Well, you know what? I need a brick. I'll put a brick in here. That's what's missing, is a brick. But you never know where the plug is going to be, so I always pack a cord. This is my paintbrush that will help me direct the drills back into the container. I'm not the most graceful person when it comes to getting my drills back into the container, so I found that a cheap little paintbrush and my tray works quite well together. This is a spare tray that I'm taking with me. This is my little bitty craft knife. I always find a use for a craft knife whenever I'm painting. A pair of tweezers. Some binder clips to help hold my canvas onto the easel. A spare pen. I like having a spare pen in case I need a tip or someone wants to help me and play with me. I have a couple of tacky tapes and some pink wax. And then this is my new pen that I purchased from Jim's Handmade Pen Shop. It is just like my other two pens. And I love that Jim's gives us a straightener. So there's my pen that I will be taking with me. And then this is the actual painting. I'll talk about that in a second. But here is all the drills. So I've got two different sizes of container. This is for the larger amounts, obviously, and for the smaller amounts. And these will stand up whenever I'm working. So everything can just stay right in this little box and work just like that. And then let me put everything back in the box real fast, and then we'll talk about the painting. I am bringing extra baggies just because you never know when you might need a baggie. Okay, I'm going to scoot this aside for just a moment so I can open up the painting. This is a painting that my best friend gave me for Christmas. And I just wrapped it around a little foam roller to kind of protect it. But it is it's from Amazon. It's the one that says Welcome Home. Or, no, this one says Welcome. The other one that she bought me says Home. And you can see the little, right there. It's just the one that says Welcome. So I have already prepped it with my parchment paper. It's just a little bitty 30 by 40, which should be perfect size for a little road trip that I'm taking. Like I said, I'm not going to be able to work on it every day. I'm not going to be able to work on it a ton, but the times that we have a little bit of downtime, it will be perfect for me just to be able to sit down, enjoy some quiet time, enjoy some coffee, and work on something small. And then I have the foam roller to help me get it rolled back up. I'm not using rubber bands or anything to hold this together. And then once the drills are on, if I need to take the foam roller out and discard it, make sure I have room to get this back in, I can. But it just fits perfectly just like that. So everything is in there. I need a brick. Do I have a brick? There we go. This will work. There's a brick. Put that right there. So the only thing that I would normally take with me that I did not pack was a pair of scissors, and that's only because all of the drills are already in little containers. If I had drills that were in the baggies still, I would take some scissors with me just to pour these in, but I managed to get everything in a container, and I don't have to worry about baggies or the baggies that they come into. And this will just close up. There we go. That's that always, as always with this case giving me grief. And just ride right like that. I have my light pad in there already. I'm actually thinking about turning this around. There we go. Let's turn that around. So there's my light pad. Here's my case. And then my easel. And it just zips. Takes up no more room in the car than a standard size laptop. So I hope this gave you a little bit of an idea of how to travel with your diamond painting. I have another video on here already from the road trip that I took over Thanksgiving. That worked well also, but that was a little bit bigger canvas. I like that this is just a little 30 by 40 little snack size canvas. And I'm happy that I'm going to be able to work on Amy's canvas that she bought me for Christmas. So I probably will not be able to film though, because there's going to be a lot of activity in the house where this, between myself, my mother-in-law, my sister-in-law, and then her two kids are going to be flying in. So this is what I'm doing, and until next time, I hope this was information that you find useful. I know there's 1,001 things that you could be doing, and I am very thankful that you chose to spend just a few minutes of your day with me. Until next time, bye-bye.